If someone told you 5 years ago that you could run a $10,000 a month business by yourself, with no staff, no office, and no meetings that could have been an email, you would have laughed. I would have laughed too. But here we are. In 2026, building a business is no longer about hiring people. It's about replacing people, not in an evil robot way. More like replacing boring work, the kind of work no one actually enjoys doing. Here's the big idea. AI doesn't replace ambition. It replaces manpower, which is great because people are expensive. And AI does not ask for salary, bonus, or annual dinner. Most people think money comes from working harder, more hours, more effort, more stress. That's how you burn out. Real businesses scale through leverage. And right now, AI is the biggest leverage tool normal people have ever had. Not tech geniuses, not Silicon Valley founders, normal people, like us. So let's talk about the 10,000 a month part, because that number sounds big, but it's actually very boring math. And boring math is the best kind. Here's a realistic setup. You offer one AI-powered service, one not 10 services, not I do everything. Just one clear outcome. For example, helping small businesses automate boring operations, customer replies, follow-ups, reminders, simple workflows, stuff business owners hate doing. And guess what? They will happily pay you so they don't have to touch it. Now let's talk pricing. If you charge $1,000 a month per client, you only need 10 clients. 10. That's it. Not 10,000 followers, not viral videos. 10 paying businesses, that's very doable. And before you say, but I'll be overwhelmed, you won't, because you're not doing the work. The system is AI replies, AI routes requests, AI updates data. You're not grinding. You're checking dashboards and making small improvements, which is way more fun than replying to emails at midnight. This is how AI replaces a team. Instead of hiring an assistant, a coordinator, and someone to handle admin, you use AI workflows. Same outcome, less drama. And this model is not limited to one service. You can do this with AI internal knowledge assistants, AI market research, AI resume screening, AI compliance documents, AI content repurposing. All boring, all valuable, all payable monthly. Now, let me be very honest with you. You don't wake up one day and suddenly make 10,000 a month. That's influencer nonsense. You build toward it, first client, then second, then third. Each one makes your system better. Each one reduces your manual work. That's how scale actually happens. Here's where most people mess up. They try to do everything. Too many tools, too many ideas, zero execution. They become professional AI testers, not business owners. Don't do that. People who succeed do this instead. They pick one problem, one niche, one AI system, and they make it work really well. That's it. No fancy strategy, no secret hack. Just focus. Here's a simple rule. If your service saves time, reduces cost, or reduces stress, businesses will pay. If it does all three, they'll keep paying. Monthly? And that's why you don't need a team. Teams slow you down. AI speeds you up. When your system is clear, one person is enough. And that one person can be you. This is not flashy. You're not going to flex on Instagram. No one's going to clap when you automate a reminder system, but your bank account will notice. And that's what matters. AI doesn't magically make people rich, but it makes boring, scalable businesses possible. And boring businesses are the ones that last. So if you're watching this and thinking, okay, this actually sounds doable, that's because it is. You don't need permission. You don't need a team. You don't need to be a tech genius. You need one system.